Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you one amazing Vedic math trick, that is all from 9 lost from 10. Okay, let's see with an example. For example, 10,000 minus 732. Whenever you are getting problems like this, whenever the minuend is having number of zeros like this, more number of zeros, children will feel difficulty in doing subtractions in traditional method. In traditional method, how do we do? 10,000 minus 732. So we can't subtract 2 from 0. So borrowing from here, we can't borrow from here again. Again we can't borrow from here, so from here no. So 10 to borrow from here to here, make it 9 and borrow 10 here. Again 9, 10. Again cut this 10 and write 9 and borrow 10 here. It is too confusing to do subtraction in traditional method. In such type of cases, it is too confusing. In such type of cases, it is very easy to do subtractions by applying all from 9 and lost from 10. See, now the same example. First you need to observe how many digits are here. 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits are there. Since there are 3 digits, we have to make a partition in this number after 3 digits. Count from right hand side. Okay, count from right hand side. 1, 2, 3 and make a partition here. Now the number is divided into 2 parts. This is left side part and this is right side part. Okay. Now subtract 1 from left part. That is 10 minus 1 how much? 9. So write 9 directly here. Then to get remaining part, remaining answer, we simply apply all from 9 and lost from 10. So how to apply? Let's see now. Next, 9 minus 7, how much? 2. 9 minus 3, 6. This is the last number. So what we need to do? We need to subtract from 10. The statement itself saying all from 9 and lost from 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Here is the answer, 9268. See how much less time we took for subtraction comparing with traditional method. We did within 2 or 3 seconds, right? It is very easy by applying all from 9 and lost from 10. We will see one more example. 600 minus 34. How many digits are here? Here only 2. 1, 2. So you need to make a partition after 2 digits from the right side. 1, 2. So make a partition here. Then you remember one thing. If it is 2 digits, then make a partition after 2 digits. If it is 3 digits, then make a partition after 3 digits. If it is 4 digits, you can make a partition after 4 digits. That means the partition depends on the number of digits. Okay? Then subtract 1 from left side part. That means 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. Now apply all from 9 and last from 10 for the remaining digits. That is 5. 9 minus 3, 6. Write 6 here. This is the last digit. So we need to subtract from 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So write 6 here. So the answer is 566. Next, let's see one more example. Listen carefully. For example, 30 lakhs minus 4 lakhs 37,000 200. Don't worry about the quantities. They must sound bigger, but your answer will be there within a span of time. It is very, very easy. See now. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So make a partition after 6 digits from the right end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So make a partition here. Okay. Then from left side we need to subtract 1. That is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then apply all from 9, last from 10 for the digits. How much you will get? See here. Whenever you are getting zeros at the end, ignore the zeros for some time. Write all from 9, last from 10 for remaining numbers. Okay. Then drop the zeros as it is. See. Next, 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. Here we need to take 10 minus 2. Already I told you, no, if you are getting last digits are zeros, then ignore these two zeros and do subtraction till here only. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Then drop these zeros, write these zeros as it is. Okay, that's it, simple. That means 25,62,800. We can do subtraction with this method with an amazing speed, without any mistakes, accurately, no need to cross check also. Sometimes we may do some mistakes while doing subtraction in traditional method. But in this method, in this trick, we can do subtraction within 2 seconds. Okay, is it clear? Let's see one more example, that is 30,000 minus 11,038. Okay, listen carefully. Till now, the digit in the subtrahend are less than or equal to the zeros in the minuend. Here in first example, zeros are 4, the digits are 3. So we made a partition after 3 digits and we reduced 1 from this left part and we wrote 9 and we applied all from 9 and last from 10 for these 3 digits. Okay. In second example, the zeros are 2 and the digits are also 2. Same, both are same. So we made partition after these 2 digits and we reduced 1 from 6 and we did. Okay. Here in this example, the digits are more than the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are here and the zeros are only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, special cases, how do we do? Just observe carefully. Okay. 30,000, write like this, 11,038. Okay. We can apply all from 9 and last from 10 from here, from zeros. Then what about this part? In these special cases, first subtract these two numbers. So 3 minus 1 is 2. But don't write 2 directly. Here what we are doing, here we are reducing 1, no? But here after doing subtraction, we need to reduce 1. That means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. We need to write here. Okay. Now apply all from 9 and last from 10. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. This is last number. So we need to subtract from 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. So 30,000 minus 11,038 is 18,962. Is it clear? Don't confuse. Do more practice. You will be master in that. Okay? Bye.